Hey, hi all. So today I'm gonna discuss how to upgrade the panorama. So to upgrade the panorama, we have to follow some steps. First, we need to determine the upgrade path. Upgrade path means let's suppose right now we are running panorama which is 8.0.2. This is the current version of our panorama, right? And if we want to upgrade this particular version till 9.1.6 something, right? Then we have to define the upgrade path, like from 8.0.2 where we have to upgrade. We have to upgrade 8.1.0, then from 8.1.0 we have to go to into 9.1.0, right? Like that we have to determine the upgrade path. Okay. After that we have to download all the necessary PanOS base images. So that download we can either we can go to into support portal and we can download these images into our system, and from our system we can upload into the panorama, or we can also just click on check now option into the panorama, and these images basically you will see the image over there and you can just hit on download. So panorama will download these images from the Palo Alto dot updates, Palo Alto networks dot update servers, updates dot Palo Alto networks.com. That's the URL for that server. Okay. But the thing is, the condition, you need a internet connectivity from your panorama till that particular server. After that, when we have downloaded, we will install the PanOS images one by one. And when we install this image, we need to reboot. Okay, so reboot is required for this particular thing. Now, after I will also discuss the terminologies like what is base image, what is release, what is preferred release, what is major release, what is the major version, what is the minor version. Okay, so if I mention one version here which is 9.1.6.20 like this, which means 9.1.9.1 is your major version and 6.20 is your minor version. This is the OS version. We can say Pan OS 9.1.6.20, where 9.1 is your major version and 6.2.0 or 6.20 is your minor version. Base image means, let's suppose Palo Alto have released a new OS. Let's suppose they have started right now. Let's suppose they are running 8.0.0, right? And now Palo Alto release a new Pan OS for 8.0.1. Then they have released few other patches like 8.1.10, 8.1.1 or 8.1.2 like this, 8.1.3, right? So this particular image is a base image. So if you want to upgrade from this particular version to this version, then you have to first go to till the base image. You have to upgrade till the base image, then from this base image you have to go to into the further release. So this is your released version and this is your base version, we can say base image. Then preferred release. So preferred release is the most stable version. Okay, so generally we will check this preferred release and everything. So let me just go to into my panorama and we will see all these steps. Okay, so what I will do, I'll directly go to into my panorama. So this is the dashboard of my panorama. I'll go to into panorama, and in software tab, here you will get all these details. So right now in my panorama, these are the multiple versions, and this particular version is currently installed into my panorama. 8.0.2 is currently installed into my panorama. Okay, downloaded, and it is active means currently this is the version which is running. Now I want to migrate. and I want to upgrade from this version 8.0.2 to 9.1.6. That's my end goal. From this version, I want to go to this version. Okay. So now if you want to go till this 9.1.6, so first from 8.0.2, you have to go to into 8.0.20. Then from 8.0.20, you have to go to 8.1.0, right? So this 8.1.0 is the base image. Just remember, this is the base image, base version, and this is the preferred version. We can say preferred release version, which is having all the patches are fixed, all the bugs are fixed, right? From 8.1.0, I will go to one more preferred version of 8.1.0 series, which is a 8.1.18. This is the preferred version, or we can say preferred release for 8.1.0 OS. And after that, I'll go to into 9.0.0. Then from 9.0.0, I will go to 9.0.12, which is the preferred version for this particular release. After that, basically, I'll go to into 9.1.0. This is the base image. From 9.1.0, I'll directly jump into 9.1.6. This is the preferred version, means this is the most stable version currently. Okay, so let me just start my job. So what I have done here, according to this particular chart, and I have also written this particular current version and preferred version into one of my slides. So what, let me just put all these info here. I'll just, let me just disable it. Let me just, I will add few text here, just copy. So this is the plan here. Current version is 8.0.2, then we will go into 8.0.20, then 8.1.0, then 8.1.18. This is a preferred version, then 9 series. Okay, so we will follow this particular path. So what I have done, I am not using manual approach. I will use the panorama. So my panorama have a connectivity till the internet, and when you will click on check now, it will basically check for the latest updates from the Palo Alto update server. So we will do that. And I have also done one thing. I have downloaded these images. Like I have downloaded 8.0.20. That's the preferred version for this one, right? So what, right now on my firewall, I am running 8.0.2. Now what, I will go to into 8.0.20. See, I have already downloaded. You have to just click into this download option. Download will start automatically. I have already done this for you. What, and now I will click on install, and it will start installing this particular version into my panorama. This particular process will take time. So like 40%. And meanwhile, I'll also want to show you some documentation which you can also refer during the upgrade. So what, I will just go to into this link, and I am also go to into this link. So this is the link where you will get the upgrade path. So let's suppose if you want to upgrade from 7.x, then you have to go to 7.1.26, then download any PanOS, download the PanOS 8.0.0, then go to into the preferred version of 8.0.20 and reboot. Then go to into 8.1.0, then go to into preferred version of 8.1. If you want, you can bypass, you can directly download this one, but I'll follow the same process. I'll follow the exact process which is mentioned over there. I'll go to into base image, then preferred version, then base image, then preferred version, then 9 series, then upgrade till the 9.1. So this is from 7.x, this is for 8.0.2. So I am following this particular path here. Okay, so generally when you are planning to upgrade, just check the Palo Alto documentation. And if you want to see the preferred version on 8.1. series, go to into this link. That's the same link which I have opened here. So in 8 series, the preferred, these are the preferred releases. You can go on any of them. In 9 series, these are the preferred releases. Go on any of them. This is for 9.11 series. Okay. So we will follow that particular strategy. I'll go to into Panorama. So right now, Panorama is basically installing. This particular process will take time. So what I will do, I will just pause the recording. So as you see, download has been completed. Now it is asking for the reboot. So what I will click on reboot, it will reboot the PanOS and it will come up with the 8.0.20. Okay. So I am just pausing the recording. So I will just keep pausing because these things will take time, guys. Okay. Thank you. So guys, now my Panorama came up. Let me just log in inside the Panorama and we will see. So if you see right now, your software version is 8.0.20, right? I'll go to again into the Panorama, into the software, and now from 8.0.20, we have to go to 8.1.0, right? What I will do, I'll just go to into this particular image, right? I have already downloaded, so I will just install it. This installation will take time. So now installation is going on. So that installation has completed. Now it is asking for the reboot. So I will click on reboot and my Panorama now reboot. And when it come with 8.1.0. So my Panorama come up. So now I am just logging inside this Panorama. We have to wait here. It is just retrieving the license from the license server. Okay. So now my Panorama is running 8.1.0. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll go to into softwares and I'll just install 8.1.18, which is the preferred release in 8.1.0 series. So what I'll just install it. And that's the same job. Okay. So I will be back, guys, when we will that installation for 8.1.18 will complete.